Hello, my name is Vickie-Marie and I'm going to be taking you through a how-to in this video. Today's how-to is in regards to butterfly pose. Butterfly pose is a seated position and we're going to begin in a wide-legged stance. So when you're ready, beginning to extend the legs away, and they might be wide or much narrower, entirely up to how you're feeling today. I am going to ask you to begin to roll the shoulders up towards the ears and then down the ribcage, getting length in the spine. And there's different various ways of coming into butterfly. So once it begins to be part of your regular practice, you may ease right into your butterfly pose. For today's video, I'm going to show you my way of building the butterfly pose. So just beginning to bend that right knee, sole of the foot may come to the earth. And then we'll begin to invite the right ankle to the earth, letting that knee flop to the side. And this may be okay, some of us may want to stay right here. Otherwise, we're going to begin to repeat this on the other side. So beginning to bend the knee, sole of the foot to the earth. With a supporting hand, beginning to invite the ankle to the earth. And for some, we may keep some distance between the soles of the feet. Some of us may choose to be on a brick or a block if that's more comfortable for you. If you want to take your butterfly a little bit further, beginning to invite the soles of the feet together. And you might be more of a diamond shape or maybe a triangle. A diamond, feet are further away. Triangle, heels are coming in more towards the body. Now, if you find the knees cave right up towards the torso, you're going to begin to take the feet further away. Okay, we're not worried about the knees making it to the earth. For some, they might, but to begin with, we're just easing in. Checking that the sit bones are comfortable, readjusting as you bring the heels in closer. Hands can be along the knees, shins, or ankles. If we do happen to have the ankles, I'm going to invite you to begin to take the thumbs to the sole of the feet. And we're going to begin to open up the feet like a book. Maybe the pinky edges stay in contact and rolling the shoulder blades down the back. And we might stay active, upright, or we'll begin to come into a fold. There are two folds that you can explore. You might begin to lift, leading with the chin, lengthening, 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 and then beginning to hinge down. Elbows can come anywhere along the legs, maybe on the outside of the shins. Another variation is passively coming in to a fold. So letting the back of the forearms come onto the legs and begin to tuck the chin in and rounding the spine. Maybe the hands come forward. So just choosing what suits you best, more of an active fold or passive. And we'll begin to lift the torso up. And to come out of your butterfly, that invitation of taking the hands underneath the thighs, inviting the soles of the feet to the earth as the knees come together, feet will slide forward. Just giving a moment for the hips to readjust. And then you can continue on with the next part of your series. So that is a very quick snapshot of how to do butterfly pose. Explore it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you get on, or if you have your own way of coming into butterfly, I'd love to know. Otherwise, have an amazing day and I'll see you again soon.